How to claim giveaways on Whatnot. Hey everybody, in today's video we will be explaining how to do so. So let's just get started. First of all, open up the Whatnot application on your screen and open it up. And once you are there, you can basically participate in the live stream by liking, commenting, and engaging with the seller's content. You just need to basically be involved in the giveaway, the live stream, the live auction where the giveaway is happening. So you can basically use the search bar and search for giveaway, or if it is available on your home screen, the live stream, you can just go and look out for that. For example, you may head over to one of the live auction. For example, this live auction right here. So if the giveaway is happening here, you will be finding an option of giveaway. You can look out for option called enter giveaway, something like that. And you can just go and look out for that option and tap on it. After that, uh, you can look out for some sellers may limit giveaways to specific reasons or require users to have made a purchase, and then only you should be able to receive the giveaway. So if there is any purchase available, you can look out for purchase option instead and purchase of the particular product that you would like to purchase. And you may enter into the giveaway section of Whatnot, like into the live stream of particular product. And that way you can just go ahead and do so. Once the giveaway is pinned by the seller, you can just go ahead and tap on enter giveaway button as I said. And the sellers you can just go ahead and claim it. Sellers often choose winners from the most engaged viewers, so be sure you are engaging into the video. After that, staying updated on their live stream and giveaways also increases your chances. So you may follow this method if you would like to claim giveaways on Whatnot. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.